guys, my name is Nader.
And I make videos for international students.
Not Nader, actually.
So we also make videos for people moving to Canada, anybody who wants to come to Halifax. We make videos for everyone. So be sure to hit the subscribe button, smash that notification bell, and we just want to give a big shout out to Michael Denbeck, the University of King's College, and Jeff Harper. Thank you for letting us this camera. We're super excited. So William, it's our apartment.
Yes, my name's William. I have my channel as well, so be sure to subscribe.
William WZC. I'm going to put my phone away because that's antisocial, but I was monitoring our feed. So let's walk around a little bit and look at our apartment. So there's a nice sitting area over here. We have a little screen, as you can see.
Little screen. Yeah, 4K TV.
But yeah, I've been living in this place for about
Xbox.
4 years.
Yeah.
Xbox.
Why moving here? Like everything's ready here. Like Nader bought a lot of stuff here, so I didn't buy any furniture. I'm lucky.
I've been living here for 4 years, and then William moved in, and he was like, "Wow, this place is pretty decent."
Yeah.
In fact, the day I met William was the day he decided we would become roommates.
Yeah, it was a long story.
Long story.
It's how you make friends.
Pretty short, actually.
Short.
You're like, "I'm looking for a roommate." I'm like, "I'm looking for one too."
Yeah,
And
that's
we did
it. Yeah, exactly.
We had no previous experience. I could have been a serial killer. He could have been a serial killer. But everything's okay. As you can see, you can look around the room right now. We were eating some Triscuits. We're feeling like putting on a good corn.
Old bananas.
Old bananas. It's not that old.
Not
I'm going to eat a banana as we...
I think when bananas are dotted, they're the sweetest. So be sure to eat it when they're like perfectly dotted.
Yeah, eat bananas when they're perfectly dotted.
Yeah.
Dotted. Dotted or dotted?
Dotted.
So this is the kitchen area. And see, the thing about, okay, sometimes my apartment is a complete mess. And I think, you know what, when people who watch this, who know me, are going to think I'm a slob. And my clients watching this are going to be like, that guy ain't got his life together. I don't trust him with my business. So I just, I record all the good angles. And I use the window so I don't look like an opaque potato. But you know what? Now you can see all the mess. Just move around with your camera and see all the mess. If one corner doesn't look messy, it's because I shoved the mess in the closet.
So in winter, I was living alone, so apartment was much cleaner. So when you live alone, your apartment will be much cleaner. But when you live with someone, it's so much harder to keep it clean.
Mm-hmm. So let's move upstairs a little bit. I hope that's still recording because I shut off my phone.
I think it is.
So this is the upstairs area. And you've seen this before, but you haven't seen it in 360. So there's no more selective angles. Now you're going to get a crotch shot if you do that.
It's my room. Oh my god.
William's room.
Yeah.
Now, William's thing is to put posters up, and some of them he prefers to have diagonal.
Yeah. Also, see this world map is upside down. Sometimes you have to think the world differently.
Yeah.
Critical thinking, Also, see this. All those celebrities. Okay.
I'm a unicorn. A banana unicorn.
Banana on the
What
forehead.
sound does a unicorn make?
Yeah. See all those like celebrities throughout the human's history on my wall. So every time I see the wall, I got an inspiration. Get some music.
Some music.
Oh, you can't cut it, right?
No, you can't cut this video.
Can you put music?
I don't know. I've never edited 360. So as you can see, we have inspirational quotes on the wall. A lot of good stuff.
Life's not about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about
and this is our bathroom. William clearly just made a stinky.
You did it.
Yeah,
I
it was
did
me,
it.
definitely me. And yeah, as you can see, this is the bathroom. And look at this.
Oh my god, you clean
This
it.
is my room.
Nader purposely cleaned his room for display.
For this video.
He didn't tell me in advance, otherwise I would have cleaned my room as well.
Yeah.
Normally, like 99% of the time, my room is cleaner.
Of course, always cleaner. As you can
I
see,
smell better.
this is my workstation. When I edit videos for you guys, I spent all this money so that I can make videos for you. Mac computers, they ain't cheap and I ain't rich, but I'm doing it to make high quality videos for you. Let's shoot some Febreze air effects around the room. How are you guys enjoying 360 video? I really hope the audio is kick-ass on this. Alright, so this is our apartment. It's upstairs, it's downstairs. It's a small place, it's very humble. It's our humble abode. But trust me, if you ever want to come over here, no, don't invite strangers. Don't do it, right?
Don't come.